Welcome to Mechanical Universe. Today, we are excited to take you on a comprehensive journey through the construction of an underground tank for a petrol station. This process involves a series of precise and carefully executed steps, each critical to ensuring the final product is robust, reliable, and safe for use. In this video, we will start with the basics of how large metal sheets are transformed into the essential components of the tank. You will see the process of cutting these sheets into perfect circles that will form the ends of the tank, followed by the detailed work involved in preparing and welding additional sheets to create the main body. We will highlight the importance of special calculations to ensure everything fits together perfectly. As we move forward, you'll witness the meticulous assembly of the tank structure, with careful welding and constant inspections to guarantee its integrity. Finally, we'll take you through the final stages of painting the tank, a crucial step for protecting it from corrosion and environmental damage. Whether you're a mechanical enthusiast, a professional in the field, or just curious about how these essential components are made, this video is for you. So let's dive into the fascinating world of underground tank construction and explore each step in detail. The first step in constructing our underground tank begins with taking a large, high-quality sheet of metal. This metal sheet is chosen for its durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable tank. Skilled workers, trained in precision metalworking, use advanced cutting tools to meticulously carve out perfect circles from this sheet. These circles are not just random shapes. They are carefully measured and cut to exact specifications to ensure they fit seamlessly into the overall tank design. The precision of this step cannot be overstated. Each circle must be flawlessly round and smooth to provide a solid foundation for the tank's structure. Any imperfections at this stage could compromise the tank's integrity and functionality. By using state-of-the-art cutting technology and following strict quality control measures, the workers ensure that these circular ends will form a sturdy and well-defined shape from the very beginning. This meticulous attention to detail sets the stage for the subsequent steps in the tank's construction, ensuring a high standard of craftsmanship throughout the process. Next, the construction moves to the formation of the tank body, a critical phase where the main structure begins to take shape. Additional sheets of metal, selected for their high strength and resilience, are prepared to create the cylindrical body of the tank. These sheets are carefully measured and cut to the precise dimensions required for the tank's design. The accuracy of these measurements is crucial, as even minor deviations can lead to gaps or misalignments in the final assembly. Using special calculations and engineering techniques, workers ensure that each sheet will fit perfectly when welded together. This involves considering factors such as thermal expansion, material thickness, and the overall stress distribution within the tank. Once the sheets are cut, they are meticulously aligned and welded to the previously cut circular ends. This welding process is done with high precision to ensure a strong, leak-proof bond. The initial welding marks the beginning of the tank's cylindrical shape. As more sheets are added and welded together, the tank gradually takes form with continuous checks and adjustments to maintain perfect alignment. This stage is vital for the structural integrity of the tank, as it sets the foundation for the subsequent steps. The careful preparation, precise cutting, and accurate welding all contribute to forming a robust and reliable tank body that will withstand the demands of storing and transporting petrol. With the circular ends securely in place, the next phase involves extending the length of the tank by welding additional metal sheets. This step is crucial, as it determines the overall capacity and durability of the tank. Each sheet is meticulously prepared and positioned to ensure a seamless fit. The welding process is a highly skilled task, requiring precision and expertise to create a strong, leak-proof structure. During this phase, workers use advanced welding techniques to join the sheets together. The welding must be flawless, as any gaps or weak points could compromise the tank's integrity and lead to potential leaks. To achieve this, each sheet is added sequentially, and continuous checks are performed throughout the process. This involves using specialized tools and equipment to measure alignment and ensure that each weld is of the highest quality. The process of adding and welding each sheet is repeated until the tank reaches its desired length. Throughout this stage, maintaining structural integrity is paramount. The workers pay close attention to detail, ensuring that each weld is strong and consistent. This meticulous approach guarantees that the tank will be able to withstand the pressures and stresses it will encounter once it is in use. Once the primary structure of the tank is completed, it undergoes a thorough inspection to identify any imperfections or weak points. This inspection is a critical step in the construction process, as it ensures that the tank meets all safety and quality standards. Highly trained inspectors use various tools and techniques to examine every inch of the tank, looking for any signs of defects or inconsistencies. During this inspection, any areas that require additional welding or adjustments are marked and addressed. The welding team then makes the necessary corrections to strengthen the tank and eliminate any potential issues. This process involves rewelding joints, adding reinforcement where needed, and ensuring that all seams are completely sealed. After the initial inspection and adjustments, the tank undergoes a series of tests to verify its structural integrity and leak-proof capabilities. These tests include pressure tests, where the tank is filled with air or water and pressurized to check for leaks. Any detected leaks are repaired, and the tank is retested to ensure it is completely secure. This rigorous inspection and testing process ensures that the tank meets all regulatory and industry standards. It also provides peace of mind to the end users, knowing that the tank has been built to the highest quality standards and will perform reliably in its intended environment. The final step in the construction process is painting the tank. This step is crucial for protecting the tank from corrosion, rust, and other environmental factors that could compromise its durability and functionality over time. The tank must be able to withstand exposure to moisture, soil, and various chemicals it may encounter underground. To begin the painting process, the tank's surface is first thoroughly cleaned and prepped. This involves removing any dust, grease, or other contaminants that could interfere with the adhesion of the paint. In some cases, a primer may be applied to enhance the paint's bonding and ensure an even coat. Once the surface is prepared, a high-quality durable paint is applied. This paint is specifically chosen for its protective properties and its ability to endure harsh conditions. The application of the paint is done meticulously, covering the entire surface of the tank. This includes all seams, joints, and edges to ensure that there are no exposed areas vulnerable to corrosion. The painting process may involve multiple coats, with each layer being allowed to dry and cure before the next one is applied. This ensures a thick, robust protective layer that will provide long-lasting protection. Additionally, the paint may be formulated to provide a professional finish, enhancing the tank's appearance and signaling its quality craftsmanship. After the final coat of paint is applied, the tank undergoes a final inspection. This inspection ensures that the paint has been evenly applied and that there are no missed spots or imperfections. The tank is then allowed to fully cure, ensuring that the paint has hardened and bonded securely to the metal surface. This step is essential for the longevity and effectiveness of the protective coating. And there you have it, the complete process of constructing an underground tank for a petrol station. From the meticulous cutting of the initial metal sheets to the careful welding and assembly, every step is designed to ensure a structurally sound and reliable tank. The final painting process not only enhances the tank's appearance, but also provides crucial protection against corrosion and environmental damage. Each phase of the construction is critical to the overall success of the tank. The precision in cutting the circular ends, the careful alignment and welding of the body sheets, the thorough inspections and adjustments, and the final protective painting, all contribute to creating a tank that is safe, durable, and reliable. We hope you found this walkthrough informative and gained a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and engineering involved in constructing an underground tank. Thank you for watching Mechanical Universe. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on mechanical processes and innovations. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the mechanical world.